Did you know that building a basic regional airport in India costs anywhere between 300 to 600 crore rupees? Now imagine building 88 of them in just 10 years. This sounds like a massive win for infrastructure. In fact, under the government's Udan scheme, the government actually went on a building spree to connect a lot of places all across the country. Entirely new airports were built from scratch in so many places in India. For example, the airport built at Shirdi, it costed around 320 crore rupees. The airport built at Holongi in Itanagar, it costed around 645 crore rupees. But here is the painful reality check. So many of these airports that were built in places where there was no demand. According to the Ministry of Civil Aviation, 22 of these government-run airports, they are now completely shut down because nobody is actually visiting it. For example, take Uttar Pradesh. There are so many places in Uttar Pradesh such as Chitrakoot, Kushinagar and Aligarh where so many airports were launched with massive fanfare. However, these airports only lasted until the government was providing subsidies to these airlines. Once the subsidies stopped, even the airlines vanished, so did passengers. So the flight stopped, but the bids did not. According to data shared by the Ministry of Civil Aviation, the Airport Authority of India spent close to 800 crore rupees for the maintenance and repairing of these airports in just one single year. Right now, around 81 airports that are managed by the Airport Authority of India, they are running at a loss. And this is burning a hole of 11,000 crore rupees in the pockets of the taxpayers. And this was the money that could have been used in building new schools, building new hospitals. But right now, this is the money that we are spending in taking care of airports that are completely abandoned and ghosted. सो गाइस, आपको क्या लगता है, क्या ये उड़ान स्कीम ने इंडिया के एविएशन सेक्टर को उड़ाया है या क्रैश करवा दिया? डू टेल मी योर ओपिनियंस इन द कमेंट्स.